Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be showing you around this Volkswagen approved used Golf R, which is a 2-litre petrol manual 4Motion, 310 PS, finished in a pure white paint. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So beginning a 360-degree walk around and starting at the front, some great added benefits include your LED lights as well as your rain sensors, ensuring every journey is as effortless as possible. With these 18-inch alloys contrasting nicely against the pure white paint, so these pair nicely with the silver door mirrors, which are standard for an R. With your heat insulated tinted glass in the rear that's 90% light absorbing, making the car look even more sporty, as well as actively filtering out too much sunlight to keep the car's temperature regulated. Next, taking a glance inside the interior, so we do have your race cloth upholstery. This is also an option on this model. It's got the Alcantara in there as well. We do have the centre seat acting as an armrest for additional comfort. And as you can see, we have plenty of leg and headroom available for your rear passengers. Making my way to the back, a great added benefit does include your parking sensors, which you have both front and rear to support you with them tight manoeuvres and help you to park up nice and safely. Taking a look inside the boot, you'll see we do have a good space available. We have enough room to cater for your daily needs, such as your weekly shopping trips. We do also have your rubber floor, which is much easier to keep clean, so it's really practical. Another great option does include your keyless entry, which is great when you're out of the car and have rushed with your hands full. Taking a look inside the front interior, we have your multi-function steering wheel followed by your R embossed front heated seats to ensure you and your front passenger are cosy and comfortable even during the winter. Another great feature does include your panoramic sunroof, which is an option. This is a perfect addition for the warmer weather. So that does conclude a 360-degree walk around. So in the next part of the video, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. Jumping inside the car, you'll find your multiple electric mirror and window adjustments and your central locking in the driver's door. Then we have your automatic lights just to the right of the wheel, ensuring they're always on at the correct times. Then moving on to your R embossed multi-function steering wheel. So here we can access some of the car's features without moving our hands. So on the left, we can access your adaptive cruise control with your speed limiter, ensuring motorway driving is that bit more relaxing. Then on the right side of the wheel, you do have your Bluetooth Connect as well as the controls for your active information display. This is where you find all your customizable menus and driver information. So as you can see, we can have your satellite navigation displayed directly in front of you. This will help to create a safer driving environment. Then moving over to your infotainment system. So here we can access a wide range of features. So firstly, we have your DAB, FM and AM radio with an endless of stations available to save to your favourite preset lists. This will keep you entertained during them longer trips. And then going into media, there are also aux inputs available so you can easily pair your phone to the car to play your own music. We do have your Bluetooth Connect, allowing you to make hands-free calls on the move. Another great feature includes your satellite navigation that can be displayed either on your cluster or in your infotainment system. This will help you plan your routes. You've got your app connection, allowing you to pair your phone to the car to stream your phone apps, such as your music, maps, contacts and messages. We have your driving mode selection, which will further enhance your driving experience. And then when popping the car into reverse, your parking sensors will appear on the screen. These will give off an audio warning. This will help to protect your vehicle and anything that is around it. Another great benefit is your 2-zone climate control, offering you and your front passenger individual airflow to keep you both comfortable. Then we've got your 3-point front heated seating to keep you nice and cosy in the winter months. Then we do have a storage compartment where you'll find a USB and an aux port for your media devices. This car is a 4-wheel drive with your keyless start followed by your 6-speed manual gearbox. Then we do also have your electronic park brake with auto hold for added ease for the driver. We've got some cup holder storage, 12-volt socket and some additional storage underneath the armrest. And then we have your panoramic sunroof. So just use the controls above. We can easily open and close the roof. This really brightens up the interior. And then when the sun glare gets that bit too much, you do have your roller blind on there as well. And then another great option does include your Dynaudio sound pack. So that does conclude this video. This Volkswagen approved used Golf R, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.